Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with EUR-USD. So yesterday we had some CPI data came through. There was a bit of a shocker, which is why we were pretty volatile. For all intents and purposes, the trend is still up. Okay, this double top has played out, and I think let's just get down to the hour just to get that. You can see there's our double top, and pretty much broke through the neckline here and hit the target to the downside. Problem here is look at the volatility. You can see this massive bar here and then followed by a big down. So big up, big down, big up, big down in the bar, then big down again. So a little confusion as to what's going on. 8-hour trend is up, 1-hour trend is not. So ideally what I'd be looking for is a retest of 121.177 for another move to the downside. However, I think you might as well put in this little inside tail here and maybe another retest of that area, which is forming a bit of a flag, and then another leg down. So I suspect we are heading towards a stronger dollar. Inflation fears are out, fears of raising interest rate. There's a whole lot of things that are happening now because of the CPI data. So for the dollar, I think you may find some dollar strength. So that's just put these levels in. There's my flag forming at the moment, and you can see we're below the moving averages, got the crossover. So any kind of pullback back into this area here, 129.13, and even up until 121 dead, I think would be a perfect opportunity to look for shorts. Your stop is going to be above this level here of 121.177. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, a little bit of a better scenario here. So we did have a double bottom. We've got a moving average crossover, so there's all the confirmations that we are moving to the upside. The other thing that you do have here is you've got let's just kind of draw it in. It's not ideal, but that is a consolidation pattern with a double bottom in it. So strong move up, consolidation break. So target is pretty much drop it to this inside tail here. And if you look at the hour, you'll see strong move up. We've broken through these inside tails. I'd look for support here. Could argue that we've found support already, but obviously I'm looking for the European open, and there is another inside tail right here which we have flirted with. So two things. Obviously pull back into the structure here of 109.479 and then look for a move up, or alternatively break the structure of 109.700, find support, and then move up to 110.382. So that's definitely looking at longs. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen. Been a pretty volatile week. We started off the week strong and pulled back, and now gone sideways the last 2 8-hour bars. I think we've got two levels here. The best thing to do is come down to the hour. Trend is up at the moment on the 8-hour and on the 1 hour. So this is pretty much what we're looking at, and I think you can actually fine tune that there on this inside tail here. So by the looks of things, looking like we're ranging at the moment, looking for a break of that range. So you can see how long we ranged yesterday before breaking out and then coming and forming another range. So I suspect the same thing to happen. So range, break of the range, and then move to the upside. I think maybe just put in that little trend line there, because that is a bit of a triangle forming on the hour. There it is there. So European session, I wouldn't be wanting to take shorts. If it does come back down to this area here, 153.945, opportunity to buy all the way down until 153.415, 153.945 and 153.415. So opportunity to buy there. Otherwise, it's a break of the flag, come back to test the flag in this area of 154.221, and we're looking for a move up. Just be wary of 154.600. You'll probably find a bit of profit taking there. And what you want to do is you're looking for a measured move of something like that. And that would give you 155171. So that's definitely looking like an opportunity to buy into that. Lastly, Euro British Pound, been pretty much all over the place, very volatile. And we had this downward trend. It was for quite a period of time. You can see started looking like we were busy with the reversal of that trend. And at the moment, it's looking like we're going to continue the trend. So just want to move across to the daily. I see daily trend up. Daily moving averages haven't crossed over. We're all pointing down again. We've got the last 2 days have been indecisive, tail to the upside, tail to the downside. So it's a little bit scary. Look at the left, lots of consolidation here as well. So yeah, your guess is as good as mine on this at the moment. But I think what we need to do is we definitely need to watch this area that we're in right now. Here is the next bit of support that may come up, which is 085567, and then I just want to add another level in at the upside, which is this swing low here. So let's get back to the hour. Okay, so you can see firstly this level that we're at the moment, 085895, we're pretty much above and below it. No real support or resistance yet. We're still floating with it. Trend is down on the hour. It's looking up. I suppose we're probably looking for a London breakout strategy on this, but I just a little bit concerned. If you look at this pretty strong move up, then sideways into a range, so you should expect a second move to the upside, which would, let's just see where that would take us. Something like that doesn't really take us anywhere. So I think for me, this is still, I still sit in hands. We're pretty much still sideways. But I do believe, if you look at this, nice strong move down, consolidation. We broke that consolidation, which is the bottom of it is right here at 085895. Broke it, we retested it, then we got above it. Now we're sort of hovering on it. So, you know, that's why I'm saying, you know, you're probably looking at a London breakout strategy, but it's gonna be so tight. Because at the moment, your range is pretty much that, right on that level. So, yeah, 50-50 call at the moment. I think if you do break this consolidation to the upside, you're more than likely going to look at 086139. Let's get back to our. That would possibly be an area. Alternatively, what's going to happen is it's going to be kind of a fake out onto this inside tail here, and I mean that's the closest inside tail we've got. We don't have another one after that, and that would line up with the 66 moving average, so 085991. The trend is down. I think you should be looking for opportunities to sell this right now. The question is from where. So yeah, so the first thing is 085991. If we do break above that, the next level is really 086139, and that's a measured move. No, it's not. It's a swing low here as well, 086139. So that's definitely possible as well. Okay, I think the measured move component is, I don't think that's going to happen, but stranger things have happened. So just keep it in. I would just keep it on the chart to have a look. Oscillators also indicating that we're looking for a leg to the downside, and with diversions. You can see there's a high, there's a current high, there's high, higher high. So yeah, I think London breakout, a break to the downside, pretty much going to give you confidence to come and test these lows. Nice tight stop, and you, just below this low, you're looking at 085567. Anyway, that's it in Forex. Dollar looking interesting, and pound looking like it's in a bit of a holding pattern, but there are some opportunities brewing at the moment. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.